What's up, guys? Another day, another vlog. I was actually supposed to vlog earlier this week, but the tires and the rims didn't get here. Oh yeah, I actually got talking about that. I got new rims para la mamalona. Right now they're getting mounted, and we're gonna mount on the tires and everything. So then we're gonna mount them on the truck. I'll do a before and after look, how it looks. Right now it's still in the Hellcats. Everybody's been asking what I'm gonna do with the Hellcats or the US Mags. I'm actually gonna keep those just for, you know, for fun. Whenever I want to trade, like whenever I want to like switch out the wheels one day. But yeah, we went with everybody's opinion, and I got race tires. I mean, personally, I was never really interested in race tires, but Joey, un amigo from Cali, he's in Bulls, and he has race tires on his, and it looks fucking badass, no cap. So, you know, fuck it, might as well just get different rims, you know, maybe try a different look. So yeah, we are here getting new wheel setup on the Ram, well, La B. I mean, I think it'll look good, to be honest. I don't know about all of you, but I feel like it looked fucking amazing for once. So yeah, maybe I'll upload a picture on Facebook or Snapchat or anything to give you guys a little preview, but I don't know, I might wait. So the only people who watch this vlog are the only ones gonna know how the truck looks with restars, or what rims I got, because I really, you know, nobody really knows what type of rims I got. So yep, so stay tuned. I will get right back at you when they're mounted. All right, peace out. What's up, guys? So the tires are ready to go. I'm gonna go home and mount them real quick, and I'll show you guys like after how it looks and everything. So basically this is how it looks with the Hellcats. No, media and everything, but hopefully with these, some street radios in the back and then some street performance tires in front. Yeah, they're gonna look bomb as fuck. I'll keep you guys in touch. So when I get home and put them on, I'll do a time lapse of that, or just do a little quick video. Alright, see you guys at home. Alright, what's up, guys? So I put on the two front wheels already. The reason why I didn't record it is because it was already gonna take long, and just because, what was I gonna say? Oh, just because, like, and then my power tool, it died from the battery, so I'm like, you know what, fuck it. So right now we're putting on our two back ones. I already took off the lug nuts, so all I have to do is lift the truck up, take the wheels off, and put these wheels on and everything. So I'll sit you guys right here so you guys can see everything, and I'll show you the final look. Let me adjust you guys. There you go. Alright, so I have one tire on, but I know it's gonna take a while, so I'll just show you guys how it looks afterwards. Alright, stay tuned for the next part. Alright, so basically it's done. The wheels are on, and wow, it gives a different look. I mean, fuck. Let me show you guys how it looks. So it's 17s all over with drag radials on street and drag radials in the back. Looks, wow. It blew my mind. Let me know what everybody thinks in the comments. Alright, I think that'll be all for today. Thank you guys. Have a safe day.